of the most spectacular action sequences of all time were captured on film at 7 p.m. on May 19th, 1989. The three actors, Wu Wai-chung, Lee Choi-fung, and Lu Liang-wai, decided to perform the final stunt sequence themselves, a stunt in which they gambled with their lives. An error in the amount of gunpowder to be used caused the flames to engulf the three actors as they jumped, and two of them were seriously injured. On behalf of the company, we would like to wish Wu Wai-chung, Lee Choi-fung, and Lu Liang-wai a speedy recovery from their injuries.